Hello, my name is Robert Hase, and in the next few minutes I will show you the Phacon concept, and this means I will explain you the assembly instructions and the function of the systems as well. The Phacon training system consists of an artificial model, and we call these models Phacon patients. And we provide these patients for different disciplines, for example for spine surgery, for temple bone, as well as for sinus surgery. This is the Phacon holder with a holder tray in order to fix the artificial model. This is the Phacon tracking camera. With this tracking device you can track various instruments, your own instruments. Therefore we provide different trackers, for example a tracker for a grasper, and then you have a navigated grasper. The Phacon tracking camera and the Phacon base system is connected to the notebook. And on the computer, our Phacon simulation software is pre-installed. It automatically detects which system is connected. And you can see inside the simulation software the CT data of this patient, which is directly related to the artificial model. In our worldwide unique concept, we combine different strategies. You have an artificial patient where you can perform your operation directly on this model. You can use your common instruments. On the other hand, you have the virtual environment with the CT data of the patient and with a 3D model. And how this works, I will show you now. At first, if you want to use the navigation, you have to register the patient first. Therefore, you use the pre-calibrated probe. Click in the Setup menu on the Patient Registration button. The system will guide you to the exact steps. Go to registration point number 1 and then follow the instructions on the screen. Next, if you want to use your own instrument, you have to calibrate this instrument. Therefore, click on the Setup menu on the Tool Calibration button. Then choose any point you like, but make sure that during the calibration process the tip of the instrument is not moving. Please select 5 different angles. Angle number 1, angle number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. In the last step, please hold the instrument perpendicular to the skull, okay? And the system, the instrument is calibrated. So now we finished the important steps. You can operate now directly on the patient. If you would like to adjust your view, you can also go in the View menu and select the transparency values of the 3D model in order to see, for example, where the risk structures are located. We can hide the skin, we can hide the skull, and of course the nasal bone, in order to see the vessels and the nerves. The software automatically recognizes a malpractice. This means if you hit an injury, for example the optic nerve, then the system will give you an alarm. In order to enable this function, you have to put this white cable here on the back side of the skull. The other side you have to put on your own instrument. And that's all. So if I go straight to the optic nerve, and if I hit the optic nerve, then the system will give you an alarm.
Optical nerve injured.
And after, these training results can be evaluated. So here we can see inside the Phacon patient the middle turbinate and the lower turbinate. This is a Phacon patient with a special pathology. Here we have a polyp inside the nose. All the bony structure is wrapped with mucosa. You can cut through the mucosa here and you can see the bony structure of the septum. And if I use the calibrated and tracked instrument during the procedure, the system or the navigation system will show the position of the instrument inside the 3D scene and as well as in the CT slices. The red cross inside the CT slices are the tip of the instrument. All the Phacon training systems, which we provide based on the same Phacon concept. The artificial model combined with the virtual environment. Thank you. And now I wish you the best training results.
Phacon, 3D life modeling and simulation.